Introduction to HTML5 tag. HTML5 is a cornerstone technology for web content structure and presentation. The pre tag is one of the essential HTML5 elements. The pre tag preserves the formatting of text as it is in the HTML document. Understanding the pre tag. The pre tag is a block level element used to display pre-formatted text. It preserves spaces and line breaks as they are in the HTML document. This tag is especially useful for displaying code snippets as it maintains the original code formatting. Common use cases for the pre tag. The pre tag is primarily used to preserve the formatting of text, especially for code snippets. It is an essential tool for developers and technical content creators. It can also be used to create ASCII art as it preserves the necessary spaces to form the shapes. Things to consider when using the pre tag. The pre tag maintains all spaces and line breaks, which can sometimes lead to unexpected results. HTML tags can still be used within the pre tag, but they will be rendered as HTML, not as text. To display HTML tags as text within a pre tag, use HTML character entities. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. One common mistake is forgetting that HTML tags within the pre tag will still render as HTML. To avoid this, use HTML character entities. Another mistake is not accounting for the preserved spaces and line breaks, which can cause the text to look unstructured or messy. Conclusion: the pre tag is a powerful tool in HTML5 for maintaining the formatting of text. It is essential for displaying code snippets and creating ASCII art. Requires careful usage to avoid common mistakes such as unexpected HTML rendering and unorganized formatting.